Hello everybody, welcome back to Brick Motorsport. Here I have a Creator 3-in-1 set. This is set number 3113. It's the race car transporter with 328 pieces. Anyway, this is a Creator 3-in-1 set. As I just said. So the other two builds is like a truck with loading some cargo, and there is a boat with some more cargo. In fact, more like a race car transporter. That's that cargo. You may have seen this in my in a later haul video. And I just haven't had time to build it and space for it. Like just gonna be on like the sets or something. I might somehow make it into the city. Like these can be big enough as like cars for or like medium-sized cars for like the minifigures at a museum. I guess I can make kind of like the Lego car in real life, but you can't really fit inside of it. But anyway, let's see how much stuff there is in there. I have my brick separator as always. Yeah, just don't like destroying these boxes right away, but I like to save. I fold them up nicely. Anyway, bag 2, bag 1. We have boat and truck and what we are going to be building today. No stickers, a saw print, and anyway, I'll see you guys at the review. A little review at the end. Bye. Hello everybody, welcome back. Anyway, there is the race car transporter. It is all complete and built. One thing is, I just want to say, this always reminds me of they are like Indy cars or Formula One cars. I stick to Formula One because this is more like, see, it's red and yellow. It's more like a Ferrari, and this is more like Alpine because it's blue. And Aston Martin for this 2021 season is green, and that could be the transporter truck, even though it's not really enclosed, so the cars get damaged when transporting. But anyway, here, let's take the cars off for a second as for distraction there. Anyway, and the trailer. I'll give you a look at the truck first. Anyway, the front looks really nice. There is no stickers on this build at all, and it uses these telescope pieces as a really nice horns for the top. And here's some 1x1 brick cylinders that are used for exhaust pipes, and there's just some more curved plates here, slope plates, and there's more cheese slopes as the mirrors, but there is no actual mirror. And this is all sloped in the front too, as the big tinted black window. And here is nice. It could represent like a logo or something. And under here, there's enough. That is the grill for the truck there. Even though this kind of stands out a little too much. The 1x1s here, or no, the 2x2 bricks, but with the one stud missing there, the corner pieces. Anyway, these tires are nice. They fits really nice in there, and there's a step there that leads into this door here as a triangle piece. In the back here, it's just a all black snot bricks that are there, and here's a hinge piece, 1x2 hinge piece as decoration, I guess. And there's just a red and blue circular tile. Actually, not tire. I'm looking at the tires here. And this is just exposed, and this is the one connector to the trailer that goes right here. Actually, right there. And this trailer is nice. It's got 4 wheels, 4 small wheels. There's 1x1 transclear orange piece as a reflector, a little light on the side. And I use these bigger triangle panels here as, to block off all the, as you would see in a real one, like wires and hydraulics and stuff like that. And it just pretty much covers it. And here is a more hinged, modified 1x1 bricks as a stand so it doesn't rock everywhere. See? And here is just exposed. It is what it is, but it goes over it when you put it back in, but that's not a big deal. And here's the barricade so the cars don't go flying off. And there's more cheese slopes for so the cars don't go rolling off. And here's just some more exposed studs all line here, just a line. And here's some more curved or triangle like slope pieces here. And here's these grill pieces as the ramps to get back on. And the same thing goes down here for the other car as well. And the underside is, it's good. And same thing on the other side. Anyway, take a look at the cars. Here's this red one. Actually, take a look at the blue one first because this is the first one we built. It is nice. There's some more triangle corner pieces, plates there as the wings, the front wings here, and there's some more curved, modified 1x1 dots bricks to give it a more detailed look in the front. And here's, just more of the wing that starts to get big and arched. And here's the wheels here and the big arch, and then you have room for the engine in the back. And here's the wing. I guess you could probably add something to it, make it but these look really nice as well. And here's supposed to be the driver as a 1x1 uh, tile piece there, and here's the room for, and that's the headrest and everything, and that's where the air flows through as well. The back is nothing special, and the same thing goes with this car as well. It's basically the same thing, but it is red and yellow with the black tires. Anyway, you saw earlier, they drive up, they can drive up there. Yeah, close these first. For $20 of the race car transporter, if it is nice and you like a Formula 1 or Indy car just like me, this is a nice set to have. And it came out in 2021, and it's a really nice set. And you can also build a boat and what was it, a truck with a crane on it. So anyway, this is another little interesting build today, and I wish you guys the best of all the I don't know what I'm saying, but just please leave a like and subscribe and comment down below something you want to see built next, and take it all easy, guys. That's what I really meant to say, and I'll see you next time. Bye.